This is how to fix your life. That's right, fix your life. That's a bold statement, and I'm going to back it up in this video. I'm going to give you something that you can use immediately after watching this video, and you can apply it directly to your life regardless of your situation. It doesn't matter what your situation is, this will help improve your life in some way. And I think that's valuable. If you're going to watch this video, if you're going to spend however minutes of your life watching this video, you should get something from it. Sometimes I watch videos on YouTube, and after the video is over, I just feel like my IQ went down and my mind is empty. After watching this video, you're going to feel better, you're going to feel empowered, and you're going to have a strategy that you can use to improve your life. It's really all about mindset. And let me explain why the strategy works, and then I will tell you the strategy and the steps, the exact steps you need to follow in order to implement it. Many years ago, before I even went to college, I worked at multiple jobs, and one of those jobs was a gas station. At the orientation, they put me in a little room and they put a little TV up on the wall. And they said, okay, just watch this intro video and we'll come back in a couple minutes, in like 15 minutes, and then we'll go from there. And it was a video about a man who worked at a convenience store, and he stole a bottle of Mountain Dew from the store. He's like, oh, no one's watching, I'm here alone, I'm just gonna take a bottle of Mountain Dew. And it showed how that affected the store, and you know how that was really bad. Stealing is bad. But the next part of the video showed how having a positive attitude could change everything. And I think what they were trying to say is, have a positive attitude at work. So it showed a man who had a positive attitude and he went on through his day. Then it showed the same man who did not have a positive attitude, and then he would go out, throughout his day. And the difference to me was stunning. The person with the positive attitude had an incredible experience. And the person who did not have the positive attitude did not have an incredible experience. So this is kind of related to what I'm about to tell you now. So here's the strategy. It's about more than having a positive attitude. It's about believing something incredible is going to happen to you. And so when you wake up tomorrow, I want you to say this: I believe something wonderful is going to happen to me today. And then just say it again. I believe something wonderful is going to happen to me today. And as you go out throughout your day, you repeat it. I believe something wonderful is going to happen to me today. When you go to bed at night, tell yourself, I believe something wonderful is going to happen to me tomorrow. When you wake up the next day, you say it again. I believe something wonderful is going to happen to me today. And what you will find is, as you go through your day, you're going to be waiting for those wonderful things to happen to you. Because you've told yourself that you believe something wonderful is going to happen to you today. And what that does is you have this incredible positivity because you're expecting something wonderful. So it automatically puts your mind into that positive mindset. Like the guy in the video I was talking about who had that positive mindset and everything just magically worked for him because he was positive. Sure, you're going to have some failures. Sure, you're going to have that person who cuts you off in traffic. You might have that bad grade in class. But because you have a positive mentality, when those frictions come, when someone cuts you off and gives you the finger in traffic or whatever, you're going to be able to handle it in a much better fashion. You're not going to get angry when someone yells at you in traffic. You're not going to feel bad when you fail your test. Everything is more positive because you're expecting something wonderful to happen to you today. And when you go to bed at night, you won't even be able to think about all the wonderful things. You'll just be thinking, wow, everything just kind of worked out. Like, I found that parking spot at work. There was no traffic. I was able to study. I was able to go to the gym. Everything worked out. Tell yourself every morning, I believe something wonderful is going to happen to me today. Now, I should give credit where credit is due. This idea is not mine. This idea belongs to a man named Brian Tracy, who is a great motivational speaker, and I encourage you to seek out his works. He's been talking about helping people and trying to help people for his entire life. The guy's like 80 years old now. He's a living legend when it comes to thought processes in life and motivation. So try it tomorrow. When you wake up, tell yourself, I believe something wonderful is going to happen to me today. I believe something wonderful is going to happen to me today. And just keep saying it, and you're going to find that it makes such a big difference. Just one little thing that you can do that will completely change everything. There's other things you can do that will help improve your life, but this is probably one of the single most powerful strategies you can do. And it's almost even more powerful than just having positive thinking, right? Because if you think something incredible is going to happen to you, then all day you're looking for it. Like, oh, maybe this is it. Oh, maybe this is that wonderful thing that's going to happen to me today. Or, so you're always excited, you're always positive, and you're kind of always hoping for it. And at the end of the day, again, if you won't even realize it, you'll say, hey, wait a minute, today was a good day. So try to reflect. Try to consciously reflect at the end of the day after you try this exercise. And you'll see that it actually does make a difference. This will fix your life. It will change your life for the better. It's an actionable strategy that you can apply. So as soon as you turn off this video, as soon as you click close and stop watching this, I want you to say it to yourself. I believe something wonderful will happen to me today. And I guarantee you, if you genuinely believe it and if you keep saying it, it's gonna make a difference. And this can help everyone, okay? It's not just about helping people who study mathematics or people who are in school, even if you're not in college, okay? Even if you've never been to college, this can help you. Maybe it'll be a gateway, maybe it'll open the doors for you and it'll give you the courage to do the things that you've been afraid to do in your life. When you walk into a situation with a positive attitude and with positive expectations, it changes everything. As a concrete example, you just take a classroom. In every college classroom that I have ever taught, the first day of class is usually pretty good. I've been fortunate, I've had great students, and it's always been a good experience. And the motivation and the positivity at the beginning is crazy. Everyone is super motivated, so everyone studies really hard up until that first test. And that first test, that's what determines the momentum for the rest of the course, right? If you take a test and you do well and you get an A, you're going to feel good. You're going to feel positive. You're going to want to study for that class. People like what they're good at. You're going to feel empowered. That's going to change your mindset, and you're going to think, this is a wonderful class. And you'll automatically have that, I believe something wonderful is going to happen to me when I go to class every day, because you've already had that positive experience. And what that does is it creates more positive experiences. If you fail that first test, it destroys your confidence. The class is no longer a positive experience. It's a negative experience. So you have to turn that around and turn it into a positive experience. That's where you need strength. That's where you need stuff like this. You need to wake up every day and tell yourself, I believe something wonderful will happen to me today. And that should make a difference. And that should help you turn around your failures. Turn it into positivity, and that will give you strength. What do you think? Do you have any advice for people who are trying to fix their lives? I can give you a list of things, but I wanted to just give you one actionable strategy that you can immediately apply so that this video does not seem like, a waste of your life. Because I watch YouTube videos too, and sometimes I'm like, really? Really? That's what I got from the video? No, the title says this, no. This can actually help you. So I want you to try it. And of course, if you want to learn mathematics, right, this is a math channel, check out my courses. They're on my website, mathsorcerer.com or freemathvids.com, or the links are in the description. Use my links because it helps me greatly, and I've lowered the prices. The actual courses are on Udemy, which is a reputable place, but use my links and you can learn all kinds of mathematics, tons of math. Subscribe if you want to, like if you want to, share if you want to. Definitely leave comments, good, bad, I don't care, whatever, right? Let me know what your opinions are. Sometimes people leave comments and they're really good and they help other people, and that's the best part. And the IQ level of this channel, like if I took all of the people who watch these videos and combined their IQ, I mean, we would have the most intelligent person on the planet. I mean, even beyond that, right? There's no human that's as smart. And so sometimes those comments are very, very good and very intelligent. And I think they provide a lot of insight, especially on topics like this. Remember, tomorrow morning when you wake up, you tell yourself, I believe something wonderful will happen to me today. I believe something wonderful will happen to me today. As you go throughout your day, I believe something wonderful will happen to me today. When you go to bed, I believe something wonderful will happen to me tomorrow. Keep saying it. Keep the positivity. Even in dark times, this can get you out of dark times. And this can give you the courage, the strength, the positivity, the motivation, everything, the willpower, the desire. It can change everything, right? The difference between positive and negative is incredibly strong, right? Negative emotions are strong, but so are positive ones. And human beings tend to focus on the negative, right? And so this is an exercise that can kind of rewire your brain to focus on the positive. And it can make you stronger, it can make you better, and it will make a difference in your life. Remember, I believe something wonderful will happen to me today. Good luck.